Hey everyone, it's me, Madam Pamita. I'm out in space. Ooh, it's so exciting. Anyway, I want to remind you that this next Sunday, September 6th, I'm going to be hosting a special workshop called Making Magic Words, Powerful Petition Papers. It's a special workshop that I'm only going to be offering one time. Petition papers are foundational in magic. If you are finding that your spells are not going the way that you want them to, it may be a problem that you aren't writing a very effective petition paper, or maybe not even doing a petition paper at all. Oh my gosh. So if you need to learn more about petition papers, you want to know how to make an effective petition paper, you want to know how to use your words magically, how to write them, even how to make spells with just petition papers alone, this is the workshop for you. I'm going to be offering this workshop one time. Spaces are limited, and once it's sold out, I will add people to the waiting list, I guess, but usually people don't leave the class. And so I want to make sure that you get in it. So I'm giving you this last chance to get in. So if you want to find out more about it, check out the link below, or you can go to parlorofwonders.com, go to learn, and go to make magic with me. And if you go there, you'll find the list of the workshops coming up, including Making Magic Words, Powerful Petition Papers, taking place on September 6th. It's at 5 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern. If you can't come on September 6th, don't worry, because I'm going to be recording the whole workshop, and every person who has signed up and paid for the workshop is going to get a copy of that video. So if you want to watch it later, you want to make sure you got everything right, sign up, you'll get that video and you'll be able to do it at that time. Join us live or watch the video later, either way. So I hope you'll join me September 6th for making some amazing petition papers. See you there. Bye-bye.